Good morning, dear students. Myself, Yogesh Ashok Kanade, lecturer, District Institute Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. In this video, we are going to study various laboratory techniques which are used in experimental pharmacology. The various techniques which are used in experimental pharmacology, like fixing of chymograph paper, smoking of chymograph paper, recording on chymograph paper, fixing solution, cutting of chymograph paper, contact time, time cycle, etc. These are the various techniques which are used in experimental pharmacology. First of all, fixing of chymograph paper means the method or the procedure to be followed for fixing of chymograph paper on Sherrington rotating drum and device. You have to fix the chymograph paper on the drum in such a way that after recording the effect of drug on chymograph paper, it can be easily removed. Therefore, only the end, that is both the end parts of the chymograph paper should be sticked on Sherrington recording drum. The remaining parts of the chymograph paper should not be fixed on Sherrington rotating drum and device. Then the next one, that is smoking of chymograph paper. After tightly fixing the chymograph paper on the drum, the chymograph paper should be smoked uniformly with black smoke of benzene and kerosene or the mixture of two. जसं आपण घरी चिमणी जर तुम्ही बघितली असेल तर चिमणी आपण जाळल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये जर रॉकेल असेल ते एका ठिकाणी जर ठेवली तर त्याचं वरून जर तुम्ही पेपर ठेवला तर काय होईल, त्या पेपरला पूर्णपणे ब्लॅक स्मोक, दॅट इज बर्न कार्बन, तो पुन्हा काळा पेपर होतो. कशामुळे? सेम वे द सेम ब्लॅक स्मोक of kerosene or benzene should be used for smoking of chymograph paper. You should take a care that uniform smoking should be done. If uniform smoking is done, proper responses of drug can be recorded on chymograph paper, that is smoking of chymograph paper. Now, recording on chymograph paper can be carried out by two methods. One, it is known as smoke method, and second one, that is sketch pen method. Smoke method means the chymograph paper will be smoked with black smoke of kerosene and benzene or the mixture of two, and the recording lever, when we move on the smoke paper, that black smoke paper, ज्या ठिकाणी ब्लॅक स्मोक वर जेव्हा लिव्हर्स मूव्ह करतात तर तेवढा पार्ट तुम्हाला व्हाईट दिसेल, त्याला म्हणतात स्मोक मेथड. स्केच पेन मेथड म्हणजे काय की तुम्ही ड्रम वर कायमोग्राफ पेपर फिक्स केल्यानंतर त्याला स्मोकिंग करायची गरज नाहीये. जी रायटिंग टिप असेल लिव्हरची, त्या रायटिंग टिपच्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही स्केच पेन अटॅच करणार आहे, so that you will get the recording on the chymograph paper, that is known as sketch pen method. If you are using a smoke method to preserve the recordings, you have to use a fixing of the tracing, that is known with the help of a fixing solution. Preserve the recordings on the smoke drum by properly fixing them with the help of a fixing solution. This fixing solution is prepared from resin, that is either shellac or calophony. You have to take 150 gram of resin. That 150 gram of resin is dissolved in 2 liters of spirit. Both of them are kept as it is for a period of 1 week. After 1 week, filtration is done, and after filtration, whatever filter you have obtained, that is used as a fixing solution for fixing of the tracings which you have obtained on the smoked paper. Then next one, that is cutting of chymograph paper. Once you have recorded the responses of drug on chymograph paper, you have to properly cut the chymograph paper. Then contact time, the time taken by a drug to remain in contact is known as contact time. For example, if it is an isolated tissue preparation, it requires a contact time of 90 seconds to come in contact with isolated tissue preparation. Next one, that is time cycle. Now whenever you are performing a practical on isolated tissue preparations, you have to follow a time cycle of 5 minutes. The distribution of this 5 minutes is 30 seconds you are going to record the baseline. Means for the first 30 seconds you are going to record the baseline on the kymograph paper. Then 90 seconds you will allow the drug to come in contact with the tissue. After completion of 120 seconds you are going to give the first wash, and after every interval of 60 seconds you are going to give the washings to the isolated tissue preparations with the help of your physiological salt solution, and after completion of 30 seconds you are going to give the second dose of the drug, that is known as time cycle. These are the various laboratory techniques which are used in pharmacology practicals. Thank you.